It's pretty cool. You know, I did a lot of research. I had a travel trailer for a couple years, and we decided we wanted to start going to Florida for the winter. And I did a lot of research on fifth wheels, and then Grand Design kept coming out on the top as an affordable, you know, quality product. Well, I like a lot of things about it. One, it's really been a lot of fun. We did our first winter and snowbirding in Florida this year, and it turned out to be the perfect size for that. And we've really been happy with the customer service from the corporate headquarters. John V up there has been really great to work with. Well, the outside kitchen in the back there has been really nice. It's got a little refrigerator, so we're sitting out here. We don't have to run back inside to get refreshments. Got a TV right there, so come the fall, I got all my football games out there. We love the storage. You got a big pass through here, plus a lot of cabinets and a pantry and everything in the inside. Large closet in the master bedroom, which is really nice. A slider in the master bedroom, which is really nice. So just a lot of nice things. My wife worked out of the unit while we were in Florida, and the installed desk in the back just worked out perfectly for her to work in the mornings and do everything online. So it really worked out well.